Okay, we're here at the Food 52 studio. We're shooting an episode of The Secret Sauce with Grossy, Pelosi, and I'm so excited. We have one of my favorite people from the internet, Millie Peartree.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm here.
Yes.
I have
Finally.
arrived. Hey, friend.
I'm so excited to meet you.
You're looking cute. Let me see these
so?
nails.
Oh, thank you.
We're
you know
cute.
what?
It's
I
giving.
tried. You're looking even cuter.
You know,
if not the cutest.
I'm here.
Tell me what we're making.
All right, so I ate a lot of roast chicken growing up. However, everybody knows I grew up in the Bronx. So this is like my mama's roasted chicken with a little Puerto Rican, Dominican flair to it.
Absolutely.
It's not a chimney because it doesn't have oil in it, but
Okay.
it has a lot of Latin American flavors.
Yeah.
And we did clean out chicken with some lime juice. It's a black thing, it's a Caribbean thing, it's a Latin American thing. We clean our chicken.
Okay, yeah, but tell me a little more about that. With the lime juice.
We clean it with lime juice, you can clean it with lemon, you can clean it with vinegar.
So do you rub it with lime juice?
Rub it with lime
That's
juice,
amazing.
water, cool water. Of course, you don't want to add hot or warm
Yeah,
water
of
because then
course.
your chicken starts to turn like a funky color, whatever
I've
the
never
case
heard
may
of
be.
that before.
And then it
That's
also
amazing.
tenderizes as well. So I
Okay.
know many folks that when they wash their chicken, they'll add the lime juice or lemon juice
Yeah,
or whatever
yeah.
acid. They'll put it back in their refrigerator.
Yeah.
So let's get started on our
Rub?
not so chimmy rub.
Not so chimmy-ish.
Right, so I'm gonna let you get to the food processor because you know I got my
swapping.
cute shirt on.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Okay,
so
great.
we're gonna take our onions and our garlic, and we're gonna give it a little zip in there.
Okay.
And I think I'm gonna help you a little bit. You know, I'm not
You
gonna have you
are
standing
already?
here
Come on.
all alone. So we're
Okay.
gonna take our bunches of cilantro and parsley.
Okay.
I'm gonna just cut the stems off.
Yes.
Little stem is fine. You're gonna throw that in there.
This is gonna be so good.
So nice bright, right? And then jalapeno. I
Okay.
like the seeds. I like it spicy.
Yeah, a little spice is nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Give this a little rough chop. Get that in there. Boom, bow. You could throw that in there.
I have a feeling the color of this is gonna be stunning.
It's like you eat with your eyes, right? So you want something
Yeah.
like nice and bright, and it smells delicious already. We haven't
yeah.
even done anything. So we're gonna give her a little zip and zing,
Okay.
and let's give it a little pulse.
Pulse?
Yeah.
Oh,
Turn the flame on.
yeah. Oh wait, this is pulse. Come on, girl. There she is. Yes.
And so we're gonna add our spices to that. So that's your onion powder. And we have some salt.
All of this?
Yeah, that's
How
2
much?
teaspoons.
2
That's
teaspoons.
enough for our whole entire chicken.
Oh yeah, I mean you need to get that flavor out.
Okay.
Okay.
And we have some paprika.
I love paprika.
A little
Amazing.
color, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna add some pepper. And some oregano.
This is a favorite of mine.
Nice and bright flavor.
A little Italian in there.
Just a little,
Sage.
little Greek.
Okay. So oregano goes Greek for you, not Italian.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to know.
And we're gonna add some garlic powder.
Okay.
And we're gonna add a couple squeezes of,
Lime juice.
little squeezy. And then we're gonna add that red wine vinegar. And then just,
You don't want to put anything else. We're
no,
done.
that's it. Listen, we're not gonna put the sink in there. That's Worcestershire sauce, we're not doing that. We're giving our herbaceous marinade.
Yes.
That's what this is giving,
Okay, let's give it.
okay?
All right.
So we have
Okay.
our beautiful marinade. We're gonna put that in a bowl and we're gonna rub our chicken with it, but we're gonna reserve some for the end for like that bright flavor at the end that you want on top of it. So you could have
Yeah, so it's like a little sauce.
little sauce. We have our beautiful, not so chimmy marinade. And then here we have, Betty the chicken.
She's gorgeous.
And we're gonna spatchcock the chicken.
Right.
So what is a spatchcock? Taking the backbone out, push down on the breast, we break it.
Flatten
so
it
we
out.
flatten her out to
Gorgeous.
butterfly her.
And it cooks faster when you spatchcock it.
Absolutely, right?
Gorgeous.
So what
This
are we
is
doing
for
with that
you.
bone? No, I don't want that bone. We have our burnt open butterfly, and we're just gonna season the inside. And in here we have the same seasonings. It's more of a dry rub: salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, some black pepper, and of course salt because
Gorgeous.
chicken needs salt, right?
So much salt. Gorgeous. Help me out here.
There we go.
Thank you. Boom.
So what we're gonna do is take our fingers under the skin and separate it. And I like to use a marinade like this because it adds so much flavor and it's gonna add moisture to the bird. And then I'm gonna give you some, you're gonna put some of this delicious mixture under the skin.
Oh my gosh, what a dream.
Just get it all
I'll
under
make
there.
a big mess. Get under there. Come on now. I was just under there. What happened? There she is.
There you go.
Oof.
Okay, so look at how beautiful. You see all of the herbs under the skin. Like give it a quick rub in, like nice massage. And then we're gonna go back over with some more seasoning. And that's gonna give it some color. Okay. And then we'll go back over with some more.
Some more of that.
You can just chunk it on. Rub
You don't
it
want to go
in.
too, okay,
Yeah, because
great.
we don't want to rub off the seasoning.
Yep.
We're gonna get these flavors all up in there.
Yeah.
And what we have to do to get it all up in there, other than us massaging it, we're gonna put it in the refrigerator to let it marinate. Minimum of 2 hours, up to 24 hours. You don't wanna go longer than 24 hours because what's gonna happen is we added acid to this. It's gonna break down the meat too much. It's gonna turn mushy. So 2 hours at the minimum, pull it out room temperature for 30 minutes, and you're gonna pop it into an oven.
Rest is important.
Rest,
so we're
rest,
gonna let her
rest.
rest.
Rest in everything.
Good lesson.
Yep.
Here I go.
So we had our chicken resting in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Then we let it rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes. And now we're gonna pop Betty the chicken into a preheated 400-degree oven for about an hour and 15 minutes until we have an internal temperature about 160 degrees. And of course, the temperature is still gonna carry. Why are you just such a mess? We have to eat something with the chicken, right?
So what are we having with it?
So I like a good rice dish. This is a pilaf, and pilaf is a rice that's cooked in some form of flavored stock. So we're gonna use vegetable stock. So even if you have people over that don't necessarily have the chicken, they're gonna get like this full flavor from this
the veg broth.
The veg broth. It doesn't have any salt in it because we're gonna add a little salt for flavor. And then of course some vegetables. So here we have a mirepoix, some celery, carrots, and onions. You could do a holy trinity. Swap out the carrots for some green bell pepper. Add some peas, whatever you want. But this is just our simple version of a pilaf. So like any good vegetable saute, we're gonna start with a little bit of oil, just enough to saute. We don't need a whole bunch. Gonna roll her around a little bit. And then we're just gonna get our vegetables in the pot in no specific order. In no specific order, we're gonna throw our vegetables into our pan.
Is that olive oil? Hey.
It's olive oil, and you can use another
wanna...
high smoke point. You can use avocado oil. You can use coconut oil. I find that coconut oil really doesn't have a flavor to it, but use whatever you have, okay?
You didn't want to throw like a little garlic in there to humor me?
We can throw, come on, get you a clove of garlic. Come on now.
Garlic.
Gracias.
No, we don't have to.
We can put some garlic in there.
I can just hold it in my hand.
No, put some garlic in there.
Okay.
We like garlic.
This is where I shine.
Okay, come on.
Oh, watch this. I'm gonna just do the slide.
Boom, boom, bow.
There she is.
Okay, in here clicking our tongs.
Ooh. Smells like home already.
See? So instantly we smell the garlic and it melted into all of these veg.
The veg is looking good.
Absolutely. So let's dump our rice in there.
Gorgeous rice.
Gorgeous.
Also a little color story. Can't help myself. Also, do I look like the broth?
Absolutely. So what we're gonna do is take 30 seconds. We're gonna toast our rice, and that gives it a little bit of nuttiness to it.
Before I spill
Nope, that's fine. You can go right in. Like I said,
you
just
ready?
a quick toast.
Okay.
You know?
Oh, it smells toasty.
Smells toasty.
A toast to the rice.
A toast to the rice. And like anything, we're going to taste for flavor. Because we can't really season your rice after.
True.
It does need a little bit more salt and pepper. Not that much. Just get it in there. Just toss it in there. And then we'll let it go. We'll bring it up to a boil. We'll bring it back down to a simmer. It'll cook for about maybe 30 to 40 minutes depending on your cooktop. But if you are afraid to cook rice, pop this in the oven with your chicken. Chicken's in the oven, rice on the stove, and I think we need some veg. Nothing simpler than asparagus. And this is one of those recipes that you can use for broccoli, cauliflower, whatever it is you want to use.
Absolutely.
But let's get into it.
Should we get it in here?
Yep, so just throw it onto the baking sheet, all of your asparagus.
Gorgeous.
And then we have some avocado oil that's a spray. Let's get a couple spritz. Is she doing? Okay, just give her a couple more. Just boop, 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 all over.
You're about to go ham, so stop.
No, we don't need to spray. We're not greasing a muffin tin here. So we're gonna go over with some salt. Gonna go over with some pepper.
You know I need to do the garlic, right?
Of course, that is your thing.
Well, it's a lot of people's things, but
Right.
I like it. Okay, so, ooh, this is gonna get crispy too.
It's gonna get nice and crispy. Right, exactly.
Gorgeous.
Give it like a little toss.
We're tossing.
Absolutely.
All right.
But you might as well use your fingers because you already touched the garlic. And that's pretty much it. How simple is that? And again, if you don't like asparagus, use broccoli, you know, some cauliflower.
Yeah, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts.
Some sprouts will be good. I love a good sprout.
I do. Look at that, stunning.
Beautiful.
All right, oven.
Puffery.
We're ready.
Yeah.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
Maybe less.
Could be less too, but you know, about 15.
Ooh, she looks great. Awesome.
Alrighty. Are you ready for the unveil?
I'm ready.
I think you too.
Oh my gosh, this is the perfect level of crisp for me.
So crispy. Look.
You can do the scrape. Oh my gosh. The internet loves that.
No oil.
Gorgeous.
Boom.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
All right, well, let's let her rest a little longer.
Okay.
And then we'll get into it.
Okay. Listen, I'm not even gonna wait.
Don't wait. Get in there. Let's see. How is it?
I'm gonna wait for you, child.
You are?
But I'm gonna try.
Ooh, look at that. All right. Look at that. Stunning.
If you want, you could put some more of that chicken juice on top. Again, we didn't use any oil.
Okay.
Delicious.
We have some of this extra chimichurri.
We have some extra chimmy.
Chimichurri.
Look how beautiful yours looking. Look at my mess of a plate.
Oh, you know. It's all gonna get eaten anyways, right?
My mother used to say that.
Well, I mean, I was gonna ask, you think your mom would be proud of this or what?
Absolutely. I'm talking about juicy, delicious.
Stop.
Don't need no hot sauce or nothing, right?
But look at this crispy skin. This is where it's at for me. If you've enjoyed this episode of The Secret Sauce with Grossy Pelosi with our queen, Millie Peartree, please, do you know, like, share, subscribe,
And comment.
and comment.
There you go. Okay,
Nailed it.
I got it.
She
Like,
got it.
share,
Subscribe,
and
comment,
Like.
tell your friends.
I love it.
Should we blow a kiss?
You should. Bye.